Hello fishermen! Today we're gonna fish with a micro trap. This tackle is called a Russian slash. Made a little trap for shallow river depths and here's the first fish. The float moved. It's time to check the trap. What the fuck? Plenty of fish. Wait a little longer and check again. Oh yeah! And here's another fish. You can learn how to make such a trap on my channel. This fish is called a spruce grouper and it doesn't grow big. With very tasty and fatty fish. The catch is very good. This is Russian fishing trap fishing channel. Subscribe to the channel and ask you questions. Thank you all and see you in the new videos.